Hello my friend, in today's video I will show you how you can purchase domain name and hosting through Namecheap at very discounted price. For that you just need to follow some simple steps. You can go on Xesiv/Namecheap. You will find this link below this description of this video, so you can simply click on there and it will redirect you to Namecheap discounted page. From here you can purchase a domain name and hosting at very cost effective price. So I am going with the Stellar Plus package because in this package you will find a free domain name. So just select this package and here you can enter your existing or a new domain name. I am going with a new domain name. So this domain name I selected. Just click on connect to hosting, add to cart, confirm order. Here you have two options. You can create a new account or you can simply log into your existing account. So I have an account on Namecheap already, so I am login. So just put your username and password here. Just remember that Namecheap will give you a special username, so you have to enter your username. Do not use your email account, it will be show you error. So just put your special username and password here. So I am putting my username and password and then press sign in and continue. It will be demand for a verification code, so just open that. Here you have to put your verification code and submit. From here you can select credit card or PayPal option, and after that just click on continue and then just press this button pay now. After that you can find your domain name and hosting from this list. I hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful or learn something new, so make sure to subscribe and click on bell icon so you do not miss any future notification. Also, if you have any question or you have any suggestion for me, you can comment it down below this video. Thank you.